Welcome to Mathematics, where mathematics is made simple. This is the second video in the series as we attempt to explain bearing and distance. So when you are given questions to solve under bearing and distance, there are three key points that you must look for, which I'm here to explain to you what to look for while solving bearing related problems. The first thing you must be looking out for when you are given either WAEC or NECO question is this word from. Look for the word from in the question because it tells you where the angle is measured. So mark a point and label it as given in the question. Let's take this example. The bearing of B or the direction of B from A, the starting point is A. So let me draw it. The starting point is what? A. A has its own north pole where you read the angle clockwise. The bearing of B from A, the starting point, is 145. So you start from here. 90. So 90 plus that's 55. So we have 55 here. The bearing of B, this is B. The bearing of B from, you will be given so many bearing in a question. So look out for the starting point. A from A is 145. The bearing of B from A is 145 degrees. Number one thing you must look out for when you are dealing with problem-related question. The second point, when you have gone, you've read the question one or two times, you've digested it, is every point, every location, every village, every airport, every seaport, whatsoever the point is, always have north pole. So you draw the north line. Draw a north line at the reference point. You draw the north pole. The bearing of Q from P, I told you that time, from P, every year from this point is P. From P is 130 degree. The bearing of Q, so Q start from the north pole. This is 90, then 40. When you add 40 to 90, give you 130. Let's see here, and it move clockwise. This is 130 degree. This place is 90 degree. This is 40 degree. So if we add 90 and 40, is give you 130 degree. That's the second thing. You always draw your line from the north. So the third thing you need to do, although it's sounding like repetition, but they say repetition makes perfect. Anyway, measure the angle from the north line. This angle is the required bearing. This angle is the required bearing. With this example, saying the bearing of Y from X, the starting point is X. Draw the north pole. Yes, that's the second. You've observed from X and you draw the north pole, okay? Then you measure from where? From the north. So the bearing of Y from X. X is here, is 120 degree. You measure from the north line. This is 90 degree. Though the bearing is 120. So 30 plus 90 will give you 120. Somewhere here. 30 degree. So addition of 90 degree plus 30 degree give us 120 degree. So the bearing of y from x is equal to 120 degree. This is the second video in the series of bearing and distance. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like this video if obtain value. Definitely, I know you've obtained value. Like it, share it with your friend, and if you're a newcomer watching this channel for the first time, Petermatics, don't go without subscribing so that anytime I upload video of this nature, you'll be among the first people that will watch it. Thanks for watching.